Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrijita. Today is Wednesday and 27th of March. So yeah, right now it's 7:15 p.m. We just came home from the grocery store. Why I'm telling you, it's been a long. We don't eat rice for dinner. But today Shomo wants to have rice for dinner with like dal, fish fry and potato fries. It's a typical Bengali dish, but we don't have enough rice to cook. So we went to the grocery store and got few things from there. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. First of all, the rice here. Then I got this fish which he wants to fry. Then we got some shrimp. Then I got this dal masala. I never make dal with any kind of masala before. It was the first time. I got kasuri methi. Then I got mustard oil and two types of dal, masoor dal and moong dal. Then I got potatoes and bitter melon. So yeah, what else? Oh, I got this cauliflower, montoy and a small watermelon. It's a watermelon. And what else? Nothing. That's all. So I'm gonna start cooking now. At first I'm gonna cook dal. So for that here I have taken 1 cup of masoor dal and I'm gonna wash it first. Then I'm going to add crushed garlic and I'm gonna add water, then salt and turmeric and bring it to 2 to 3 whistles. Then I'm going to wash the fishes quite well and I'm going to sorry marinate it with salt and turmeric powder. Now I'm going to cut the potatoes. I'm going to cut it in thinner slices. The more you can cut it in thinner slices, the more crispy it will be. It's a very time taking process. If you don't wanna cut it this way, you can use this grater and you can use the bigger hole to grate it, and this way you can also fry the potatoes. So the dal is ready. Now I'm going to add the tadka into it. Sorry. On the other gas, I am heating the oil for frying the potatoes. So for the tadka, I have added mustard oil. Then I'll going to add green chilies, and I'm going to add cumin seed. Then I'll add 2 teaspoons of dal spice that I have bought today. I never used dal spice my dal before. This will be the first time. I hope it will come out good. Whenever you are frying these potatoes, make sure you are frying this small batches at a time. And if you want, you can add a little bit of cornstarch to make it more crispy, but I didn't add it here. These potato fries, if you never tried this, try this one. You will love it, I'm telling you. It's nothing but a french fries, but a thinner version. The more thin it will be the more crispy, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. As you guys saw, the dal prep is done. Rice will be done in a few minutes. At the end, I'm going to fry the fish, and then we're going to have dinner. So yeah, and I didn't add salt to the potatoes while frying. After I fried all the potatoes, I'm gonna add the black salt into it and mix it up. I'm gonna show you guys that. So yeah. So this is the last batch of the fried potatoes. So right now I'm gonna heat this oil for frying the fish. So after that we could have our dinner at last. After dinner, I'm gonna clean the kitchen, the daily kitchen cleaning stuff, what you got to do every day. That's what I'm gonna do. So after that, I'm just gonna prep for the next day. What I'm doing right now, I'm cutting this papaya because it's got ripe enough. So I'm cut it into small pieces and store it into the refrigerator. So whenever I want it, I just have it. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm also going to soak some cumin seed and chia seed with water for the next day morning, because I have this to water in empty stomach every day morning. I'm gonna share it with details in my future vlogs, why I'm having all this. As for today, my kitchen duty has ended. Now I'm going to end this vlog as well. So yeah guys, that is all for today's video. I'm gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you love to watch my videos and still didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. That will be awesome, and whenever I upload, you will get a notification of a brand new video. But before that, you have to click the bell icon. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.
Bye.